Hi, this is Craig Shallahamer from Viscosity and OraPub. So I'm in Redwood Shores at the Oracle Conference Center for the MySQL Summit 2025. But next month in May, we're also going to be here upstairs for the NoCOUG conference. And it's going to be like an innovation day, and we're going to talk about Oracle performance, we're going to talk about AI, and we've got a bunch of speakers. I got a couple sessions, thankfully, and Gary Gordhammer is going to talk, and Maria Colgan's going to be here, and Marcus, the rack guy, is going to be here, and probably a couple other folks too. So it should be a really fun time. So one of the talks that I think I'm going to be giving is actually going to be a workshop, kind of a two-parter. We're actually going to build using 100% prompts into Claude AI. We're actually going to build an AI app, a web app, where you are working with multiple AIs, collaborating with them to solve a problem. So let me give you an example. Let's say you want to know, when I take long walks, my shoes stink. How can I get rid of the stink? And you actually collaborate with the AIs, coming up with ideas and doing their research, and you figure out how to get rid of the stink. It actually works, and it's kind of one of those aha moments when you can see how you can actually work with the AIs to solve a problem. So it's really exciting. So I hope that we get a chance to do that next month.